Let's get ready to make some strawberry shortcake ice cream. This is like the perfect summer dessert, and you don't even need an ice cream maker. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, we're going to start by preparing our strawberries. So I'm going to dump my diced up strawberries into a skillet. I'm going to add in some fresh lemon juice and a little bit of granulated sugar. Go ahead and stir this on up. I'm going to bring my heat to like a medium. We're going to simmer these ever so gently to create a nice strawberry reduction. I'm using a whole pound of strawberries. You can double this if you want like a lot of strawberries in there. Yes, double it. Okay, so that looks good. You want it to be like a loose jam almost like this right here. That is perfect. All right, that looks good. So we're going to go ahead and set this aside. You can let it cool off completely, put it in the fridge, or speed it up. Okay, let's get into this easy ice cream. I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream into a large bowl. Now we're going to beat this, okay? We're going to beat it just until it becomes fluffy and light and airy, and it can hold stiff peaks whenever you lift those beaters up. That's what you want, all fluffy and stuff. Don't overdo it. You're going to have like buttermilk on your hands, butter and buttermilk. Yep, like that. That's perfect. Now we have to sweeten everything up. So I'm going to use this sweetened condensed milk. I love this recipe because it's like the best no-churn base. If you want to make any kind of no-churn ice cream, this is a good base for it. Okay, next we're going to throw in some vanilla extract. You can also throw in some almond extract or some strawberry extract. Oh, that'd be good. I should have done that. Okay, mix it up very, very gently. Just kind of fold it until everything is mixed up. You don't want to do too much. And of course, you got to add some salt to kind of get everything nice and balanced. Okay, here's how it should look. All creamy and light. So now we need to add in our shortcake pieces. I'm using pound cake, just some store-bought frozen pound cake. You can use homemade pound cake. You can use cookies. You can use vanilla wafers. Just whatever you want to use. Go ahead and dump that into your little ice cream base, just like this right here. Stir it on in there. Perfect. Yep. That's how it should look. All right. Okay. So now we can start layering it. You can do multiple layers. I'm just going to do 2. So dump some ice cream in, throw in some of that strawberry. Okay. Just like that. And you can kind of drizzle it a little bit, swirl it with the knife just to kind of get little beautiful swirls in there. It really doesn't matter how you layer this ice cream, just get it in there. Okay. So yeah, I did 2 layers because I was feeling a little lazy. Make sure you reserve some of that strawberry and that pound cake to make the top look all pretty and stuff. It looks so pretty when that strawberries are swirled on the top and you got those pound cake pieces on top. Okay, that looks great. So now go ahead and cover it. We're going to freeze it overnight. And the next day you are done. You have creamy homemade ice cream, y'all. And you saw how so easy that was. So freaking easy. If you make it, let me know how you like it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.